Hello, my name is Sean, and today we'll be discussing the complete line of Grizzly 8-inch joiners. Grizzly continues to add new and innovative features to its joiners, making them favorites in thousands of shops across the USA and Canada. Let's get started with some basic information about our G0656 and the G0656P. They are the same machine, with the only difference being color. The P in the G0656P stands for our Polar Bear series, which is white in color, and the G0656 is green and tan. This joiner features a strong 3-horsepower motor that comes pre-wired for 220-volt single phase, and also features a 6-foot 14-gauge cord. Also notice the upgraded pedestal-mounted on-off switch with the oversized off button, perfectly located for convenient operation. The main tables of the G0656 measure an impressive 6 feet long by 9 inches wide. An important fact to know about these in-feed and out-feed tables is that they are made of cast iron and are precision ground together as a match set during production. This ensures accuracy and perfect table evenness, and the finish on these tables is highly polished. In-feed table height changes are made easily and accurately with height adjusting hand wheels, and the cutting depth is shown on this scale. The out-feed table adjustments are also made using the control hand wheel. The table height adjustment mechanism is a traditional dovetail type design. Cutting capacities of the G0656 joiner are 8 inches in width and an 1/8 inch max depth of cut. The max rabbiting depth is 1/2 inch. And the floor to table height is a comfortable 33.5 inches. This joiner features a sturdy center-mounted fence and is 35 inches long by 5 inches tall. Fence adjustments are made easily by loosening the locking handle and tilting 45 degrees in either direction. Returning to 90 degrees is easy using the built-in stops. The fence also adjusts smoothly forward and backward by using the innovative rack and pinion lateral fence adjustment. Simply loosen the locking handle, turn the fence adjustment hand wheel to reposition the fence, and retighten the locking handle. The cutter head on the G0656 has 4 high-speed steel knives, 3 inches in diameter, and is mounted using sealed ball bearings. It turns at 5,000 RPMs and produces 20,000 cuts per inch, leaving an excellent finish in many types of wood. The cutter head features jack screws as well as springs for easy blade setting when the knives are changed, and a knife setting jig is provided with this joiner. The cabinet is a solid one-piece stand constructed of heavy gauge steel, no assembly required. A built-in mobile base is also included. A 4-inch dust port is provided for convenient dust collection hookup. Next, we will go over the G0656X and the G0656PX 8-inch joiners. The features and capacities are the same as the G0656 and the G0656P, except a spiral cutter head has been added as an upgrade. These models come with an 8-inch spiral cutter head that utilizes 4-sided solid carbide inserts. These types of cutter heads are great for use with figured woods and dramatically reduce tear out. They are also quieter running than traditional cutter heads and provide a quality of finish that is second to none. The solid carbide inserts are located in 4 spiral rows, with each insert overlapping the one before it. This creates a shearing action that leaves a glassy, smooth finish. The cutter head is 3 inches in diameter and uses 40 carbide cutters. Each carbide insert has 4 cutting edges, allowing the user to quickly replace the nicked insert simply by loosening and turning 90 degrees. These inserts are preset in height and do not require a knife setting jig. And just a note, we do sell the 8-inch spiral cutter head as an accessory for customers who want to upgrade their regular cutter heads. The G0656 series joiners have an approximate shipping weight of 522 pounds and will arrive to you in 2 sturdy boxes. In case you're picking this up at one of our 3 locations, let's measure them. The main beds come in a sturdy wooden crate weighing 390 pounds and measures 80 inches long by 24 inches wide by 14 inches tall. The stand comes in a cardboard box weighing 132 pounds, and it measures 30 inches long by 19.5 inches wide by 27.25 inches tall. Next, we will go over the G0490 8-inch joiner. This parallelogram joiner has been a hit since its introduction in 2006. It is feature-packed and ready for the professional shop or hobbyist use. Let me point out the main features of this joiner. An extra long bed that measures 76 3/8 of an inch long by 8 inches wide, and an easy-to-reach pedestal-mounted on-off switch. We made the welded steel cabinet oversized for an incredibly stable platform. The cabinet comes with a 4-inch dust port and a built-in mobile base. Table height adjustments are made using the easy-access lever handles. The extra long fence measures 36 inches long by 5 inches tall and is mounted with an extra heavy-duty center-mounted adjustment. This is great for smooth, trouble-free fence adjustments. The fence tilts from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, with stops at 45, 90, and 135 degrees. The G0490 has a large 4-knife cutter head that is 3 inches in diameter by 8 inches long and is mounted using seal ball bearings. The maximum depth of cut is 1/8 of an inch. If you want a spiral cutter head, this joiner comes in a spiral version by ordering model number G0490X. You may even upgrade down the road, as the spiral head is sold as an accessory. Power is transferred to these cutter heads via a set of serpentine pulleys and a serpentine belt. These provide reduced vibration and quieter operation. This joiner has plenty of power with a 3 horsepower motor. The single-phase motor comes pre-wired 220 volts. Now we get to a very important upgrade on this joiner. You may have heard me call this a parallelogram joiner earlier. What this refers to is a different type of table height adjustment mechanism. As the table height is adjusted, the interlocking table mounting points move in unison, maintaining the tables in ideal parallel position. If the tables were to get out of parallel for some reason, adjustments are quick and easy. Each table has 4 mounting points, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and are independently adjustable. So getting back to parallel is a snap, using a simple straight edge. Loosening and locking down the table is easy with these large front-mounted handles. The tables adjust up and down using the large lever controls. A depth indicator is also conveniently located for easy viewing. The G0490 and the G0490X weigh approximately 560 pounds and come in 2 sturdy boxes. The first one in a wooden crate contains the upper portion of the joiner, and it measures 81 inches long by 24 inches wide by 11 inches tall. And the second box contained the base, and it measures 39 inches long by 20 inches wide by 29 inches tall. Now let's look at the ultimate 8-inch joiner in the Grizzly line. The G0495X 8-inch Extreme Series joiner is made for the most demanding professional shop or the exacting woodworker. I am sure you will agree this is an amazing machine. This feature starts with an exclusive digital height readout. This patent-pending digital readout was invented by the president of Grizzly and installed first on the G0495X joiner. No more guessing or trying to read small scales. Exact table height adjustments are displayed right at the control panel. The readout is displayed in resolutions of 1/100th of a millimeter or 1/1000th of an inch. Truly an important development in joiner technology. Now check out the extra long bed that measures over 82 inches long by 8 1/8 of an inch wide. An easy to reach pedestal mounted on-off switch located with the digital readout. We made the welded steel cabinet oversized for an incredibly stable platform needed for a joiner bed this large. The cabinet comes with a 4-inch dust port. Table height adjustments are made using the front-mounted hand wheels. These hand wheels, in conjunction with the preferred parallelogram adjustment mechanism, make height changes smooth and easy. The extra long fence measures 38 inches long by 4 3/4 of an inch high. The fence has a heavy-duty center mount. The fence features a rack and pinion lateral fence adjustment that easily moves the fence forward and backward. There are fence stops at 45, 90, and 135 degrees. Let's look at the cutter head on the G0495X. It comes with an 8-inch spiral cutter head which utilizes 4-sided solid carbide inserts. Again, these cutter heads are great for use with figured woods and dramatically reduce tear out. They are also quieter running than traditional cutter heads and provide a superior finish. Power is transferred to the cutter head via V-belt drive from a strong 3 horsepower single-phase motor that comes pre-wired for 220 volts. The G0495X weighs in at 796 pounds and ships to you in one sturdy wooden crate. In case you're picking this up at one of our locations, let's measure it. 87 inches long, 28 inches wide, and 42 inches tall. This is the best 8-inch joiner on the market. All of the joiners we have looked at today feature powder-coated paint for a scratch-resistant, long-lasting finish. We stock all of these models at all 3 of our locations in Missouri, Pennsylvania, and Washington for same-day shipping 99% of the time. Our 8-inch joiners can also be purchased via our toll-free number at 1-800-523-4777 by visiting one of our 3 retail locations or our website at www.grizzly.com. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to serving you soon.